Good morning, guys, and welcome to Editorial Says. Here we are going to discuss the current affairs GK for the day 26th June 2020. Here we are going to learn current affairs with tricks to remember it lifelong. Before starting this video, here are some important points which you should notice. First, read the question carefully. Second, follow the steps of the trick with understanding. Third, watch the video with full concentration. And fourth, test yourself after the video. I will post 3 or 4 questions and you can see your learning skills and try to see that whether you are able to grasp the tricks or no. Point 1. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Financial Conduct Authority? Now here the trick is here. Here finance or money in India is called Rashi. So here you can see that in the word Rashi just replace S with the next letter T. So it becomes Rati. Now actually the answer is Nikhil Rati. Now by this trick I think you can remember this name. You can remember this name by N Rati or Nikhil Rati. Point 2. The world's first yoga university outside India, Vivekananda Yoga University, has been established in which city? Now, here in trick, in yoga we perform many asanas with different and lots of angles. Now, see the word lots of angles here, you can remember a city named Los Angeles, which is in USA. Therefore, the world's first yoga university outside India, Vivekananda Yoga University, has been established in Los Angeles. Point 3. Here the Union Health Minister has launched an app by which name to demand blood. Now see, here the trick is that it is as the name of the app. Now app is will be electronic, which you can access from mobile or mobile devices or your tablet devices. And also donation of blood is considered to be a service to a society. When we donate blood, so it is considered service to the society because it helps people a lot, those who need blood in hospitals. Therefore the actually the name of the app is e-blood service. E is electronic, which we discussed, and blood service as donation of blood is a service to the society. GK point 4. Which airport in UP's Uttar Pradesh has been declared an international airport? Now see, your trick is whenever we feel up, whenever we feel motivated, then we be happy. And happy is in Hindi, it is called Khushi. Therefore, the place name actually is Kushinagar, and the name of the airport is asked. Therefore, it is Kushinagar Airport. Also, airplanes fly from airport way up in the sky. Therefore, this you can relate the airport with UP. Therefore, the answer is Kushinagar Airport. GK point 5. In which state YSR Kapoor scheme was launched? Now here one very important trick is there which can help you in future also, that whenever you see YSR in any scheme, then that scheme will always be of Andhra Pradesh. Like it is not that all the schemes of Andhra Pradesh will contain YSR, but any scheme which has YSR will be of Andhra Pradesh. Therefore, the answer is Andhra Pradesh. The state YSR Kapoor scheme was launched as Andhra Pradesh. GK point 6. Which country has become the first country to control locusts by drone? Now see here, it is called like guard is also called Loki in which country it is called India. And also most of us may be like, I'm just telling, most of us may not like Loki. Therefore we are trying to control it. Therefore the country name is the country name is India. Which city has become first country to control locusts by drone? So the answer is India. GK point 7. uh, MSDE has partnered with which company to unveil free digital learning platform Skills Build Ignite? Now see, here one sentence is given in the trick: international known company helping in building business skills and learning from machines like computer. Now see, here this sentence you have to remember that international just sorry huh, international known company helping in big business skills, which big companies are there, then they will help us to build skills and also learning from machines like computers. Since we are in a IT world, the our world is slowly getting dominated by the IT sector. Therefore, if we learn this sentence, so here three important terms are the international, business, and machine. You know a company name IBM, it stands for International Business Machine. Therefore, the company which the MSDE has partnered is IBM. Which Indians have been named as the brand ambassador of the 45th TIFF 2020. Now see here the trick is actually this TIFF is the Toronto International Film Festival. Here the actor or actress name which you can remember is Priyanka Chopra. As you know, she has been involved in many foreign TV series and also some of the foreign movies. Therefore, you can learn the name Priyanka Chopra, and the director name is Anurag Kashyap. Anurag Kashyap is one of the famous director who has released many recently very super hit movies. So these two names you can remember. Which state got the first prize under E-Panchayat Award 2020? So answer is Himachal Pradesh. Actually, for this trick was not sorry. Actually, for this a trick was not be able to made, but you can remember the name of the state as it is a very easy question. I would repeat, which state gets the first prize under E-Panchayat Award 2020? That is Himachal Pradesh. GK point 10. Recently, Reliance Jio TVS entered an agreement with which state to educate 52 lakh students? Now, see here we have to name the state. Therefore, now you can see this sentence. Reliance determination to enter the agreement. हर हाल में यहाँ आना है ये this is written in Hindi. Now see, हर हाल में यहाँ आना है. Therefore, they were very determined to enter the agreement with the state, and the state name is Haryana. Therefore, answer is Haryana. Now here are some questions which can test your learning if you understood the trick. First question is, in which state YSR Kapoor Neshtam scheme was launched? YSR, I know whenever there is YSR, therefore the state will be related to Andhra Pradesh. The scheme will be related to Andhra Pradesh. Second, Union Minister has launched an app by which name to demand blood. Now you know app is electronic, therefore E, and donation of blood is a service, therefore E blood service. The world's first yoga university outside India, Vivekananda Yoga University, has been established in. Now see, yoga we perform so many asanas in lots of angles. Now lots of angles. Which city we remember? That is Los Angeles. Therefore, the answer is Los Angeles. And next, last question: which airport in UP has been declared international airport? When we feel up in our life, so we feel very happy. Happy is also called as Khushi. Therefore, Khushi Nagar Airport. Thank you. That's all for it today. Thank you for watching Editorial Says, where we believe in empowering readers. You can please like the channel, and also don't forget to share with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for such more informative and educational videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.